Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The honorable judges and the audiences, good morning. My name is Buena. Today I will tell a story about a little red hen. Please listen to me and let me begin. The little red hen lives on a farm. She works hard all day long. She pecks the ground, she looks for worms, and she sits in a bush. And sometimes she lays an egg. The little red hen has 3 friends: a cat, a dog, and a horse. These animals don't work hard at all. The cat likes to sleep in the sun. The dog likes to sleep in the shade. And the horse likes to watch TV all day long. The little red hen saw a raspberry bush. "Tock, tock, tock, raspberries," she squeals. "Yum, yum, yum, we can make a raspberry cake." The little red hen runs to tell her friend, "Guys, there's a raspberry bush. We can make a raspberry cake." The dog growls, "Yes." The cat licks her lips. "Brow, absolutely." The horse flicks his tails. "Gee, what a good idea. So who wants to help me pick the raspberries?" "Not me," says the dog. "I'm too busy." "Not me," says the cat. "I'm too tired." "Not me," says the horse. "I'm watching TV." Tock, tock, tock. Then I will do it myself." The little red hen picked the berries one by one, all by herself. Now I need flour, sugar, and milk and butter. So who wants to help me get them? "Not me," says the dog. "I'm too busy." "Not me," says the cat. "I'm too tired." "Not me," says the horse. "I'm watching TV." Then I will do it myself. The little red hen, she goes all the way to the pantry. Then she gets the flour and the sugar. She goes all the way to the fridge. Then gets the butter and the milk. Tick tock, tick tock. Zoo, there's a delicious smell coming from the kitchen. The dog can smell it. The cat can smell it. The horse can smell it too. They rush to the kitchen. The little red hen takes the cake from the oven and she put it on a plate and she sprinkles it with the sugar. "So who wants to help me eat this cake?" "Me," says the dog. "Me," says the cat. "I don't think so. You will not help me make this cake, so you will not help me eat it." The little red hen runs with the cake, and she eats every last crumb. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the moral of the story is that hard work pays off, but the laziness has consequences. If we all help each other, we will all be able to benefit more. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's it all my story. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.